Hi, I'm Toto Wolff. I'm part of the Mercedes F1 team, and this is Grill the Grid. How many drivers World Championships did Fangio win with Mercedes? Tricky one. I think 2.
Very good.
Who is the only female driver to have scored points in F1? That was, I think, Lombardi. Name the drivers. This is a hybrid version between Pascal Wehrlein and Felipe Massa. Where and when was Lewis Hamilton's first F1 win? I'm really bad with historic, with statistics. I think it must have been in 2007, in the 5th or 6th race. China? I don't know.
Canada.
Canada, okay. Where did Nico Rosberg score the team's first podium after returning to F1 in 2010? China, 2012. No, that's where he won. Malaysia?
P3.
P3, fantastic. Name the helmet. GIANCARLO FISICHELLA.
Very good.
You were born in 1972. Who was world champion that season? 1972. Emerson Fittipaldi. Before Valtteri, who was the last driver to spend 4 years with Williams? 4 years with Williams. That must have been before my time. Maldonado.
Nico Rosberg.
Okay. I forgot about Nico. Yeah, true. Really, 4 years. Shows you how many years you need to
2006
to be successful. Yeah. Well done, Nico. Name the driver. Australian. And I know Jack Brabham.
Correct.
In 10 seconds, name as many drivers as you can to set more than 25 fastest laps. Michael Schumacher, Lewis Hamilton, Nico Rosberg, Sebastian Vettel, Max Verstappen, Ayrton Senna.
Stop. That puts you equal with Eric Boulier. Christian Horner, on the other hand, he got 11.
You got to win some and you got to lose some.